I knew I wanted to go into physical therapy because physical health is really important to me. I'm hoping to help people prevent and recover from injuries that affect what they're able to do with their lives. All of our classes are in the PTA lab, which means during the lessons we get to use the materials available to us in the lab, and that adds to our learning because we have equipment that we'll be using after we graduate in the profession.
We are a 2-year program. We're very specialized and focused in hands-on and skills. We bring in real patients out from the community into our therapy setting, so students get hands-on learning. They can provide treatments, learn techniques on how to treat these clients.
I get to see anybody and everybody, which is awesome. Some are post-op knees, some are recovering from a stroke, wanting to get back to soccer, teenagers or the elderly, and I get to help them accomplish their goals.
If you're interested in the ISU PTA program, I would first look through the ISU website. I would also encourage you to shadow physical therapist assistants, get to know what the profession is like. I know the ISU PTA instructors are happy to talk to future potential students and tell them what it's like to be a student at ISU and be a student in the PTA program.
The ISU PTA program is probably one of the best things that's ever happened to me, as I've gotten to meet some of my best friends, learn about the career that I love, work with the people that I really enjoy, and overall just get to use my heart, my brain, all in one, and I get to do it every single day.